Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have my update for Pan of Dinosaurs. This is a really awesome project that was created by Taro. She is cruelty-free panner. I'm going to have her link below as well as everyone else that has joined into this PANtastic Ladies collab. I love it. I love it. It is all about dinosaurs. All the prompts are based on dinosaurs and what they look like. And I adore this because my oldest son is obsessed with dinosaurs. I hear about dinosaurs all day, every day, whether I want to or not. But I just love it because he gets to have a little bit of enjoyment out of this project with me because he is lending me his dinosaurs for all of these prompts. And as we're unpacking, I am finding more and more of his dinosaurs. So as he finds them, I'm going to be adding them into this project. All right, let's get into this. I do have an empty this time, and that empty is for Argentinosaurus. I don't have the dinosaurs that I had already brought in, only the new ones. So Argentinosaurus is done. It was for something big, heavy, or bulky. This was 4 pounds of Epsom salt. It was pretty big. You can see it was like a big old bag. It is done. I am happy that it's done. I enjoyed it though. Whether I'm taking a bath or just soaking my feet in the foot bath, which is, something that my feet love, is a good soak in a foot bath. Yeah, the Epsom salts really help. If your dogs are kicking, dogs are barking, however you want to call it, your feet hurt, soak them in Epsom salt. It will help you. I'll promise you that. All right, so that one is done. That was from my original intro, and I have some other products from my intro that I am going to show you, and then I'm going to show you what I am rolling in. For Pterosaurus, that is something light and airy, I have Johnson's Baby Powder. This is the cornstarch variety. I have my lines right here. I was at blue last time. I'm at this purpley line this time. I'm really not good at making straight lines, but it is what it is. I use that to freshen my shoes. We are getting ready to go into shoe and boot season. That's why the progress is very minimal right now. It is going to start picking up as I'm wearing closed-toed shoes. I will be using that a heck of a lot more. So hopefully I will have much better progress by the next update. Moving on to Stegosaurus, that is something that is slow going. I chose this Vaseline Intensive Care Healthy Body Complexion Lotion, and the reason for me that this is slow going, even though I'm usually pretty quick on body care stuff, is I'm working on quite a lot of lotions, lotion bars, body butters, that kind of stuff. So I knew this was going to be slow going for me. I have kept it pretty steady though, intro, first update, and now. If I continue at that pace, there's no way this is not going to be done by the finale. And we're getting ready to go into like that cold weather, dry skin season, and my progress will pick up more just from that because my body skin is completely the opposite of my face skin. All the oil is here. It needs to share with the rest of me because my skin gets super, super dry. All right, moving on to Tyrannosaurus. That is something bold. So I picked something very, very colorful. Blue eyeshadow. Clearly I'm not afraid of bold eyeshadow with my bright orange eyes today. I am getting some progress on this blue. I did franken a little bit, but I have actually worn it. If you go back to some of my videos, I am actually wearing blue eyeshadow in some of them. So I have used it. It will get done before the end of this project. I can tell you that. It will definitely get done. I'm trying to figure out a place to put it because I have dinosaurs and products all over my desk here. Moving on to Velociraptor. That is something that surprised you. And that is this Coastal Scents Winterveld Mica pigment because of the beautiful duochrome nature of it. When I purchased this, it just kind of looked like a beigey shimmer to me. And then hopefully you guys can see that it actually has a beautiful like teal duochrome to it. There you go. You can kind of see it now. Much easier to tell when I'm moving it swatched on my hand. It's just so beautiful. I love it, and it definitely did surprise me. But I have slightly expanded the pan on that one. Nothing major. It's not something I have gone ham on yet because I'm working on a lot of things that have to be finished in this calendar year. And this project, I know I didn't give you the dates, rolls into next year because it started on August 8th and it will end on April 8th. So I still have plenty of time for this. All right, those are all my rollovers from the intro. I am bringing in, I believe, 5 products. So let's start at the top. Ankylosaurus. That's this guy with a big old hammer on his booty. Can you see that? He's like got built-in armor. This is something that protects you. That is the prompt. Of course, he's very protective. I chose the Neostrata Sheer Hydration with Sunscreen SPF 35. It is a moisturizer and sunscreen in one. It is new. I have not used it at all. So hopefully I can get this done by the end. I should always be wearing a sunscreen. I do have a lot of things that have sunscreen in them, but I always forget to put like an actual sunscreen into my routine. So now I have it, and I will get that done for Ankylosaur. Or Ankylosaurus. It is Ankylosaur family. He is an Ankylosaurus. My poor son, he would be disappointed in me. All right, moving on to Diplodocus. That is something that is long, and you can see why that prompt is for something long for Diplodocus. And I have chosen the e.l.f. matte lip color in Nearly Nude. It is new. I think I've only swatched it. That's a really long product. So that is what we have to work with. It is basically just a matte lipstick. And I have no love affair with matte lip colors. It's just not my thing. I'm definitely a gloss girl, but sometimes the gloss gets a little too messy. So I am going to work with this and then gloss over top of it to make it work for me. So that is what I have for Diplodocus. I know. I'm silly. All right, Microraptor. My son did not have a Microraptor, so he just picked a raptor that he has in his collection. So picture this, only much smaller for the Microraptor, and that is something with little product. That is easy. I picked a sample, and I picked like the smallest sample I could possibly pick. This is the Neutrogena something or other. I don't know, some kind of, clean tint, oil-free, skin clearing foundation. It's got all of these, which, yeah, I'm probably going to end up using all of them in one face because, yeah, there's not enough there. I'm probably going to end up like bronzing and contouring and doing like my under eyes with one. That's going to be done by the next update, but that's the nature of the beast, so to speak. All right, moving on to Parasaurolophus. Where did I put him? He's a little guy. He's a little guy right here. Isn't he cute? He's got a funny looking head, doesn't he? It's like a hammerhead. The prompt says something with weird shaped packaging, and I'm sure it's because of the weird shaped head on him. Poor little guy. So I chose Yves Saint Laurent or YSL Libre perfume, and the perfume bottle in and of itself isn't weird, but it's got like a weird cutout right here, and like the lid is kind of a weird shape, which, you know, it makes sense because, you know, they both have weird shaped heads, so that's why I chose that one for Parasaurolophus. All right, moving on to the very last one that I'm going to bring in, and that is for Triceratops, because look how cute he is. I know, I'm a dork. Triceratops is something that plays well with others, so I brought in a hair care thing, a hair styler that actually works really well with my other hair stylers. This is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. Sometimes I like gel, sometimes I like mousse, and sometimes I will do like my gel cast, and then I'll find like some spots like this that didn't quite get enough gel cast on them, and then I'll go over it with mousse to kind of tame the frizzies and stuff like that. And it works really well. It plays well with others. So that is everything for this update. I know, kind of dorky, but It's a nerd project. It's supposed to be a little bit dorky. I love it though. I'm enjoying this so much. Definitely go check out Taru and everyone else that has joined in. It is not too late to join in if you want to do it. Again, it is a PANtastic Ladies collab, and I think that is everything. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.